After you have entered in all of your clients' information, their preferred drugs and pharmacies, and reviewed the quote results screen, you can then start by selecting the particular plan that you want to know more about those drug costs. So in this example, I'm going to select the Blue Cross Blue Shield of Minnesota, just their choice plan here. When I initially click on it, I'm still going to get that initial overview of that particular plan. So how many of the drugs are covered, the pharmacies, all of the annual drug and premium costs. In my initial overview, it's going to give me some more information on the out-of-pockets and the different premiums. If I wanted to review any of the benefits and the cost, I can just review all of the coverage for this particular plan. So you can see the different copays. You'll probably spend most of your time in the drug coverage and costs. So when you click on that, you can start by seeing the different costs for the different tier drugs and what that cost would be in the initial coverage, the gap coverage, and then the catastrophic coverage. You can also change your supply over on the right-hand side as well. As I continue scrolling, I'm going to see the different drugs that I've entered, the names, whether they are brand or generic, so I can check to make sure I've entered in the correct ones. It's then going to label what tier they are. As I continue scrolling here, we're going to show the estimated drug costs for the different pharmacies that were selected. So in my example, I did want to compare two different pharmacies, so I will see those costs listed under each particular pharmacy. So we'll show you the retail cost, the cost before deductible, after deductible, in coverage gap, and after gap cost. So you can see how those compare from pharmacy to pharmacy. Then as I continue scrolling here, we're going to show the estimated drug cost per month. So for both of the pharmacies that I am reviewing here, so the monthly costs, the accumulative cost, and then it will also list the coverage phase for me. So if I'm in my deductible or after deductible, it will list that coverage phase over on the right-hand side for me as well. If I continue scrolling back up here, I do have some carrier resource options if I needed to visit the company's website or provide any of the address or the phone numbers for that as well. Now, if I wanted to print or save this page, I have that option here in the upper right-hand corner to print or to save it as a PDF.